If your phone is getting too hot, here's how to fix overheating and keep your device running cool. First, if your phone feels really hot, stop using it immediately and let it cool down before doing anything else. Take off the case if you are using one and move it out of direct sunlight or any warm spot. Now, let's find the case. Most of the time, it's app running in the background. So for that, go to recent app and close everything you are not using. Then check battery usage in your setting, see which apps are draining power the most, and if anything looks off, you can force stop or uninstall it. And also, gaming and video editing or even long video calls can also cause overheating. If your phone's getting hot during these, take a short break in between sessions. Take short breaks in between sessions. It gives your phone time to cool down and prevents long-term damage. And charging can also heat things up, especially if you are using it while charging. Avoid heavy usage when plugged in and always use a certified charger. Cheap or off-brand chargers can overheat your battery. Also, check for software updates. Sometimes overheating is caused by bugs and manufacturers fix these issues with updates. So for that, just go to settings and software updates and install any pending updates if you have. And if you are on Android, just try using battery saver mode like that. It limits background activity and helps you keep your phone cooler, especially in older devices. And finally, restart your phone regularly. A fresh reboot clears temporary files and resets any process that might have been overheating your phone. If your phone is still overheating, even with light use, it could be a battery or hardware issue. In that case, contact support or visit a repair shop. And that's it. Try these steps on your phone and your phone should stay cooler and perform better by these. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech videos like that.